Did you know that 85% of self-published authors use budget-friendly marketing methods to achieve high book sales? This episode is about marketing your book without breaking the bank. Let's start with an inspiring story about Rory, a historical fiction author who leveraged podcasting to reach new readers. Rory recognized that podcasts are a growing medium with a dedicated listener base. Here's why podcasts are a brilliant platform for authors. Niche audiences. Podcasts often cater to specific interests, allowing you to reach highly targeted listeners. Engagement. Listeners tend to be loyal and engaged, often trusting the recommendations of podcast hosts. Networking opportunities. Being a podcast guest can help you build valuable connections within your niche. Rory's strategy was to reach out to podcasts in the historical fiction and literary spaces, offering to share insights about his book and the writing process. He tailored his pitches to highlight unique aspects of his book and how they related to the podcaster's audience. Rory launched a podcast where he discussed historical events, the inspiration behind his stories, and interviewed other authors. This allowed him to control the narrative and consistently promote his work. He created short, engaging audio snippets of his book and shared them on podcast platforms, social media, and his website to draw listeners in and readers. And that resulted in increased reach. Rory's guest appearances and podcasts attracted listeners who were interested in his genre, expanding his audience base. The trust and credibility built through podcasting translated into higher book sales. Podcasting established Rory as an authority in his genre. So the key takeaways from Rory's story is podcasts are a powerful tool to connect with niche audiences and build credibility, leading to increased book sales and visibility. They also offer long-term benefits by continually attracting new listeners and readers. When you trust me enough, click the top link in the description for my course on Udemy, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. Moving on, next, we'll explore how Laura, a children's workbook creator, utilized online community to create a buzz around her book. Laura discovered the power of engaging with online book communities to amplify her book's reach. Laura found that actively participating in online book communities like Goodreads and Reddit significantly boosted visibility for her children's workbooks. These platforms are invaluable because they offer active engagement. Readers in these communities actively seek new books and recommendations. Community trust. Opinions and suggestions within these communities hold considerable weight. Instant feedback. Immediate reader feedback helps refine marketing strategies effectively. Laura's approach involved active participation. She regularly engaged in discussions, offering insightful recommendations, and shared her journey as a children's workbook author. Instead of simply promoting her books, Laura focused on providing value to the community. Also, she initiated threads discussing her workbook themes, characters, and interactive learning methods. This approach encouraged reader participation, generating interest, and fostered a supportive community around her workbooks. Also, Laura hosted Ask Me Anything sessions. These sessions was hosted on Reddit, where she provided deeper insights into her workbooks and connected directly with potential readers. These sessions allowed her to showcase her expertise and build rapport with her audience. The outcome of these actions for Laura resulted in enhanced visibility. Her active presence in online communities helped her workbooks gain visibility among parents and educators looking for quality educational resources. Increase in sales. Engaging discussions led to a noticeable rise in workbook sales and reader engagement. Strengthen community bonds. By genuinely contributing and engaging, Laura cultivated a loyal community of parents and educators who appreciated and recommended her workbooks. So the key takeaways for you as an author is engaging with online book communities can significantly enhance visibility and sales for children's workbooks through active participation and trusted recommendations. Consistent interaction in these communities helps establish lasting relationships and sustained interest in educational resources. Laura's story illustrates how leveraging online platforms can effectively promote children's workbooks, demonstrating that targeted community engagement can lead to substantial growth in the educational publishing sector. Lastly, let's talk about Ethan, a memoir author who started from scratch and found success using BookTube. Ethan found that leveraging YouTube channels dedicated to book reviews and discussions known as BookTube could be highly effective. Here's why BookTube is a great tool for authors with zero audience. It has a built-in audience. BookTubers have established audiences who trust their reviews and recommendations. Engagement. Videos are engaging and can convey the essence of your book effectively. Low barrier to entry. Reaching out to BookTubers doesn't require a large following. Many are open to discovering new authors. Where to find BookTube? BookTube is a vibrant community on YouTube where book enthusiasts create content related to books. Here's how you can leverage it. Search for relevant channels. Use keywords related to your book's genre, for example, memoir reviews, historical fiction, to find BookTubers who review similar books. Engage with content. Watch and engage with videos by commenting and liking. This helps you understand the content creators and their audience better. Reach out. Contact BookTubers with personalized messages. Highlight what makes your book interesting and relevant to their channel. You see, Ethan's strategy was to identify relevant BookTubers. Ethan researched and identified BookTubers who reviewed memoirs and had an audience interested in his genre. He looked for channels with high engagement, even if they had a smaller subscriber count. Personalized outreach. He reached out to these BookTubers with personalized messages, offering a free copy of his book in exchange for an honest review. He highlighted what made his memoir unique and relevant to their audience. Engaging with BookTube content. Ethan actively engaged with BookTube content by commenting on videos, participating in live chats, and sharing BookTube videos relating to his genre. This helped him become a recognizable figure in the community. This worked out for Ethan as it resulted in increased reviews and visibility. BookTube reviews brought Ethan's memoir to the attention of a wider audience, leading to more reviews and higher visibility. Boosting sales. Positive reviews and recommendations from trusted BookTubers led to a significant boost in book sales. Growing author platform. By engaging with the BookTube community, Ethan established a growing platform for his future works. So the key takeaways for you to keep in mind is collaborating with BookTubers can effectively boost your book visibility and sales, even if you're starting with zero audience. Personalized outreach and active engagement in the community can build meaningful connections and generate sustained interest in your book. In this video, we explore 3 advanced budget-friendly strategies to market your self-published book. Podcasting. Connect with niche audiences and build credibility through guest appearances and your own podcast. Online communities. Engage with book lovers on platforms like Goodreads and Reddit to increase visibility and trust. BookTube collaboration. Partner with BookTubers to reach new audiences and gain valuable reviews even with no initial following. Remember, these advanced strategies can help you further dominate the self-publishing market. Subscribe to my channel for more in-depth KDP strategies and stay ahead in your self-publishing journey. Empower your book marketing efforts with actionable insights and achieve greater success. So what new strategies have you tried to market your book with? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time.